Part 1 of Python datetime. This video will look into Python datetime. Python datetime is a built-in module. The classes are datetime, date, time delta, easy info, and time zone. Datetime. We can import the datetime from datetime. So from datetime, import datetime. And we'll store this datetime.now in a variable DTM. The datetime.now gives us the current datetime. So we can print this variable now, print DTM, and DTM has got these methods. If I say dot here, we'll get these methods here. Hold on, all these you can arrive from this DTM variable. So we are printing DTM dot today, DTM dot date, DTM dot day, month, year, and UTC now, and timestamp. And here we are importing time, printing time.time is nothing but epoch time. It is number of seconds that have passed from 1st January 1970 to current time. The same is the case with timestamp. Gives us the number of seconds that has passed from 1st January 1970 to current date time. So let us execute this. So first one is we are printing datetime.now, that is year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds, and then millisecond. And dtm.today also gave us the same thing, date and time, hours, minutes, seconds, and then millisecond. And then dtm.date is we got YYYYMMD. The day is 8th, month is February, so 2, year is 2021, and UTC time is 2021 to 8 and 6:32, because here the time is 12 o'clock. So 5.5 hours, India is 5.5 hours ahead of UTC. So the UTC time would be 6:30 in the morning. And the next one is the timestamp. Timestamp is number of seconds passed from January 1st, 1970 to current date time. And then time.time also number of seconds passed from 1st January 1970 to the current date. So these are some of the date time methods we can use to find out the current date time, day, month, year, UTC time. Let us build a datetime variable, DTM1. Datetime of year is the YYYY format, 2021, month, day, and hour, minutes, seconds, and then these are milliseconds. And let us print this DTM1. Here as well in year, from here just print that here also, just what it is print, execute. So here this is the one which we have built, 2021 to 8, 12, 11, and 26, and these are the milliseconds, and this is the year we have printed here. We have seen date time. Now let us see date. Let's hit this, and from date time we'll import date. We'll take a variable dt is equal to date dot today. Will give us the current date. Here we are printing that variable dt, and here date dot weekday of dt. We're trying to print that weekday of this, and here we can convert it to string date dot today using strf time, and this is for month, day, and year. Let us execute this. So from date time import date, dt is equal to date dot today, and we are printing dt. Is date is 2021 to 8, and date dot weekday of date is showing 0. Today being Monday, it is showing 0. And date dot today dot str of time percentage bdy, that is month, day and year. The month is February, day is 8th, year is 2020. So this is how we can print the date Python. We've seen date. Now let us see the time. So we are importing time. We are printing time dot time. Time dot time is nothing but we have just seen that seconds passed since 1st January 1970. But if you want to know the exact time or date time, then we can say time dot c time. So it will convert these seconds into the this string of date time. Let us execute this. So these are number of the seconds passed from 1st January 1970 till the current time, and today is Monday, February 8th, and 12:22:41 is the hours, minutes, and year is the 2021. So C time can be used to find out what is the current local time, and time dot time is used to find the number of seconds that has passed since 1st January 1970. Now let us look at strf time. Strf time converts date time, date and time objects to string. Let us import datetime from datetime. From datetime, import datetime. We create a variable dtm is equal to datetime dot now, and we print this strf time mdy, vdy, ymd, and hms. And here we import time, and we print time dot strf time hms, time dot strf time mdy hms, time dot strf time small a, capital A, small w, small z. Let us execute this. Now let us see the results. First one is dtm dot strf time percentage m, percentage d, percentage y, that is 0 to m is month is February 02, and d is 08, and year is 2021. Next one is percentage b, percentage d, percentage y. Percentage b is giving us the month name in abbreviated format, that is FEB, February. 08 is a percentage d, and y is year 2021. Next one, it is giving us year, month, day, and time, hours, minutes, and seconds, because we have defined h, m, and s. Next is import time, and time dot strf time hms. It is giving the time, just the hours, minutes, and seconds. Next is time dot strf time mdy and hms. So it is giving us the month, day, and year, and then hms is hours, minutes, and seconds. Next we have printed percentage small a. Small a is giving us the month, the week in abbreviated format, MON for Monday, and capital A will give us the week in full format, that is Monday,